In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a vacation reply in Zoho Mail. This is an essential tool for anyone planning a getaway, whether it's a tropical vacation or a simple staycation, allowing you to let people know you're away without manually sending out a response to every email you receive. Let's dive right into it, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and type Zoho Mail into the search bar. This will direct you to the Zoho Mail login page where you can enter your credentials. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with the account for which you want to set the vacation reply. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of applications available in Zoho. From this list, click on Mail to proceed. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which serves as the gateway to all things settings related. Click on this icon, and it will open up a variety of options to customize your Zoho Mail experience. Within the Settings menu, your focus should now be on locating the Out of Office feature. Depending on your version of Zoho Mail, it might also be listed as Vacation Reply. Select this option to begin configuring your automatic responses for your upcoming absence. Now, you'll find yourself in the Settings area where you can define the time frame for your absence. Choose Start and End Dates using the intuitive calendar feature provided. Setting these dates ensures that your automatic replies will only be sent during the specified time period, reassuring you that the settings won't linger beyond your vacation. After determining the dates, decide who should receive your auto-reply messages. Zoho Mail offers flexibility by allowing you to send responses to everyone who emails you or to narrow it down to just your contacts. This feature can be particularly handy if you aim to avoid notifying every sender, especially those sending out impersonal or irrelevant emails. Following this, you'll need to compose the actual message that will be sent out. Start with a subject line that's concise and to the point, something like Out of Office Notification. In the body of the message, include key details such as the dates you'll be unavailable and mention an alternative contact person for urgent matters. This helps maintain professional correspondence while you're away. Finally, review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate. When satisfied, click Save to activate your vacation reply. From this point on, your tailored message will be automatically sent to your selected recipients during the defined dates. It truly is that simple. Your correspondence now effectively communicates your absence without you lifting a finger. Whether you're away from the office for work or play, Zoho Mail has got you covered. Enjoy your time off.